I want to see this. I was gonna hold it.
Oh, you gotta. It's good. He looks so small in that thing. Yo, gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo. As you see, we're at the lot and we got the 2-stroke. Yeah, let's start this thing. Oh my. You already know the boy Kirsten. Let's go. My dude. Chilling, bro. How you doing? Bro, I need to get you some gloves. I forgot about that shit. I have some at home. That's what I'm saying. I have some at home. I just need to. But you already got your paper towel, right? Yeah, I brought out the big old 2-stroke today. So, but have you rode? You've ridden 125? You never rode one before? Damn, I'm gonna have to let you try it out then. Little disclaimer: homie is 18 years old. He just has a condition that makes him look younger, but he is 18 years old. So yeah, let's get back into the video. Woo! Get on that rev limiter. Yo, it's just crazy watching homie freaking progress, dude. You're hopping over now. That's fire. Oh, I can't even start my shit. Woo! Look at him, you go, yes sir! Hey. Every time you ride, you're just getting better and better, dude. We got Mini Tater. What's good, bro? How you doing?
Friend, Daniel.
No way.
My crew, it's all my people. It's who choose me every day. I was a friend every other day, bro.
Bro, that's crazy.
Fran, he told me he knew you a long ass time.
Bro, yeah, Fred's like an OG.
Yeah, he's the one who got me my.
Take a little spin on my clapped out 125. Or you want to try it out? You want to try it out? All right, gang. I'm about to let Kirsten.
I want to see this. I was gonna hold it.
Oh, you gotta. It's good. Hey, just remember the clutch. It's bad. But the boy Kirsten on the 125. What? No, yeah, it's nice. Bro, he looks so. Woo! He looks so small in that thing. You think you could do a little wheelie on that, or is it too scary?
I mean, I'm gonna try. I never really like a 125.
Yeah, hey, just you know it hits, so like don't give it too much. Yo, that clutch, the clutch. Oh boy, he's about to wheelie my 125. I love it. Let's go. I put my foot right here, dude. Oh. And I felt my foot falling down. I was like, sheesh. You want to switch? Hey, how'd it feel?
Good, it's peppy. I like it.
It is definitely that.
I'm not a 2-stroke nigga.
No, that clutch though feels bad though, right? You're like, nee. What's good, bro? Hey, you know how to ride a 2-stroke?
Ask your viewers.
She's a little clapped out though, so.
I'm about to go buy the KTM back. Y'all about to see me on the KTM again.
Oh boy. I can follow. Appreciate you, bro. Yo, that clutch. The clutch is so bad, bro. Yeah! Woo! Hey, big. Oh my gosh, dog. Oh, I'm scared, dude. I can't even watch it. You, hey, you look like one. All right, we got the boy Kirsten. What's your Instagram, bro? Let him know.
7.Kirsten.
407.Kirsten, you already know it's gonna be in the description down below. We also got homie on the KTM. Shoo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, look at the pedal bike homies coming in. Yes, sir. Let's go. How you doing?
How you doing, man?
Chilling, bro. Putting that work, boy, on that KTM. Big 450. I can't even keep up with him on my two-stroke, bro. Yes, sir. Let's go. Can we switch? I want to try out his 450. The clutch is a little bad.
The brakes are down.
Big great.
What is this, bro? I don't even, oh my god. Is it a 450? 450? 4? Yeah, we active, bro.
I think I'm power.
Yeah, definitely. Get that work, boy. That's money, dog, money. I tried a hand drag, but nope, that ain't happening. Yeah, look at that tire though. That bit bald. There's one thing that I sorta don't like about the two-stroke. It has nothing to do with the two-stroke. It's just the rear tire. Like, I'm used to the freaking Shinko street tire, and going back and forth from like a street tire to a dirt tire, it's not fun. Alrighty, I hope you enjoyed this video. Somehow the two-stroke survived. I don't know how. And also a little disclaimer, Kirsten is 18 years old. I know he looks young, but he is 18. And yeah, stay motivated. Until next time, peace.